Nyina akwa bashonko ba eya Paco TV live eya mosomfo Lady Titi sisi ana ebi muse kra menya ne Queen Titi ane Queen Titi ena mede apomodin akwentu de bremo abrene abribiara which is the journey of health jumedie no ma femo papa ane mo amuni Paco TV ye no fiti I think 2 weeks say calling in na na busy because of Odra festival ni ntino iti afiance na yaje ahome na Queen Titi maba betena megwem na mede apomodin samobremo na me sha mo boss say with the journey of health jumedie no before I'll start no me the air motivational quote which is sponsored by Air Paco Group of Company Limited me the bebremo na ene on our motivational quote no yes, say be content with what you have. Eye bi no musi titi, de bia wo seresere as we need do wuni how she. Why na catch mo? I am content with what I have. Me minya me gari bia medi. Dan so a pizza ni besu no so bo am fa no ho nche no medi. Na se pizza amba na gari wo hwa ye nyina enyo me na. Eyo me no. So be content with what you have. E ma pressure am fa wo. Be determined, be prayerful and hard work. Na baby apese wundu no. Twedi am bodu bedru ho no.
TV. Experience the thrill of TV.